Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed to decline a call quickly, but your iPhone was locked, you might have hesitated for a second. Where's the decline button? Let's go over exactly how to reject a call in different scenarios so you can do it instantly without any confusion. If your iPhone is unlocked, the process is simple. You'll see a red decline button on the screen. Just tap it, and the call is gone. But when your iPhone is locked, you won't see that button. Instead, just press the side power button twice quickly. This immediately rejects the call and sends it to voicemail. If you're using an older iPhone with a home button, the process is the same, but you'll need to press the sleep-wake button twice instead. Sometimes you might not want to outright decline the call, but just silence it. In that case, press the side power button once instead of twice. This will mute the ringtone or vibration without rejecting the call, giving you time to either answer later or let it go to voicemail naturally. If you're using AirPods or any Bluetooth headset, you don't need to reach for your phone at all. Just press and hold the force sensor on your AirPods, or use the decline button on your connected device. This lets you reject the call directly from your earbuds or headset without even looking at your phone. That's it. Now you know exactly how to decline calls in any situation. If this video helped, give it a like, and if you want more useful iPhone tips, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you later.